Imagine stepping into a world where the horizon merges seamlessly with crystal clear turquoise waters, and the soft white sand is your canvas for memories. Welcome to your honeymoon in Rangiroa, a hidden gem in French Polynesia, where romance and beauty are as endless as the ocean itself. Your journey begins with a traditional fresh flower lei greeting, a symbol of the warm Polynesian welcome that awaits you. From TAHITI, a flight whisks you away to the atoll of Rangiroa, where the Hotel Kia Ora Resort and Spa becomes your sanctuary. Nestled in a beach bungalow for 6 nights, you'll wake up to the soothing sounds of the waves and enjoy full breakfast each day, setting the tone for days filled with love and discovery. Rangiroa's lagoons, with their vibrant coral reefs and abundant marine life, invite you to explore their enchanting depths. Snorkel together among the colorful fish and feel the thrill as turtles and playful dolphins join your aquatic adventure. Dive deeper into passion with a Blue Lagoon private tour, where hidden coves and secluded islets await your exploration. Glide through the waters on a leisurely boat tour, and let the natural splendor of Rangiroa captivate your hearts. As the sun dips below the horizon, indulge in a candlelit dinner on the beach, where the flavors of Polynesian cuisine tantalize your taste buds with fresh seafood delicacies. Rejuvenate your spirits with spa treatments that promise to relax and invigorate. And as the day ends, embark on a romantic sunset cruise, where the sky's vibrant hues and the tranquility of the surroundings create an atmosphere of pure bliss. A honeymoon in Rangiroa is more than just a getaway. It's an invitation to forge an unbreakable bond with nature, luxury, and each other. As you return home, with a farewell shell lei as a memento, know that the serenity and beauty of Rangiroa will forever be a part of your love story, etched in your hearts as the beginning of a lifetime together. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.